Welcome to Mind Media. I'm Megan Huffman. It can be easy to see the influence China has had on our world here in North America. With cultural, culinary, and architectural features in nearly every major city, it is one of the more familiar, albeit foreign, cultures. But what of the world's role in China? Many companies and investors find the history of China's society and a seemingly stringent governing body too daunting to involve with. However, behind its international appearance lies great potential, strength, and a rapidly expanding economy. As China's economic importance has grown, so has the attention to the structure and the health of that economy. China is extensively involved in the world market, and although largely state-owned, it has some key private sector companies who play a major role in the economy. China is one of the largest growing markets for investment in gold, as demands rose over 20% in 1 year. The Chinese government has also focused on foreign trade as a major vehicle for economic growth, and its mineral resources are probably among the richest in the world, but as of today are only partially developed. Shandong province is the biggest industrial producer in the country and one of the top manufacturing provinces in China. Within Shandong lies the Jiaodong Peninsula in Muping County, which is the #1 Chinese producer of precious metals, including gold. The Majestic Gold Mine property lies on the western edge of the Muping-Fushan Gold Belt, which outputs 25% of China's annual gold production, making exploration and mine development a promising enterprise in the area. The closest city to the mill is Yantai, a rapidly expanding coastal city of 5 million people. It was one of the first 14 cities in China to become a special economic zone, whereby laws were passed to aid and encourage foreign direct investment as early as the late 70s, making it one of the top location choices within China. Another big change came in 2003 when Chinese mining laws changed and foreigners were allowed to come in and own a majority interest in mining companies, giving foreign investors more control of their operations. Majestic Gold Corporation began as a joint venture under the leadership of Rod Husband, the president and CEO. Rod is an economic geologist and an expert in project development. In 2003, Rod met Richard Shao, a Chinese metallurgist, and this was the first step towards the success of the operation. A Chinese connection in business provided the opportunity for the project to flourish, and today, Majestic holds 75% interest in the joint venture company. Majestic's geology team is headed by Mike Hibbets, a director for the company and also the vice president of development. Mike is a professional geoscientist with over 30 years of effective experience from early prospecting to producing. The engineering team consists of professional geoscientists, metallurgists, and engineers. In addition to this list of experts are a team of skilled directors with over 80 years of combined experience in the financial and resource world. After successfully completing all exploration stages and seeing great results, Majestic Gold Corporation engaged the reputable Wardrop to prepare the National Instrument 43-101 report. The ultimate result was a gold resource of 3 million ounces inferred and indicated at the Songjiao property, and a net present value of $525 million at a rate of $973 per ounce of gold, or a net present value of $975 million at $1,500 per ounce. The resource called for a larger facility, and a new mill was completed in May 2011. The new mill added 6,000 tons per day, resulting in a total 7,400 tons per day throughput for the operation. Altogether, the existing infrastructure is outstanding and adds an extra bonus to the low mining and milling cost. Also, the gold concentrate is shipped to a local smelter, which is approximately 35 kilometers from the processing facilities. Currently, the company produces 1,500 ounces of gold per month, and in the calendar year 2011, the company produced in excess of 12,000 ounces of gold, and in the first fiscal quarter of 2011, it has already produced nearly half of last year's total. In line with the Wardrop's assessment, the company is looking forward to significantly increasing average daily production and gold grades. With exposure to Asian investors, it is likely that a reevaluation will occur in the near future, given that the company is seemingly undervalued at present. Majestic Gold Corporation is listed on the TSX Venture and also the Frankfurt Exchange. For more information on Majestic Gold Corporation, please visit www.majesticgold.net or contact them directly through email at investors@majesticgold.net. I'm Megan Huffman. Thank you for joining us here on Mind Media.